This might have been a mistake, filming this large of a box on the table. Oh well, here we go. Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile here. Welcome to another unboxing. And this is the Sony SSCS5, which is just a mouthful. But these speakers are very well known. You see a lot of people talking about them on YouTube. So I picked up this pair used, and that's why they're not in the greatest of boxes here. Excuse me, I'm just putting my knife away. Okay, let's see. Oh man, that's broken. Wow, the styrofoam is in bad shape. But I picked this pair up used for 60 bucks on Amazon. So, yeah. This is a beefy boy. All right. I'm going to push out of the way, open this one first, and then we'll see about the other one. I guess there's some tape here. So yeah, these are real popular speakers. I've been wanting to get a hold of a pair, so I saw them on sale and decided, hey, you know what? For 60 bucks, I'm gonna give it a shot. Wow, those banana plugs really stick out. I'm not really a fan of that, but oh well. There's the speaker. Looks like it's in pretty decent condition, at least this one. Let's see, I can give you a look at it here. Let me go down a little bit there. Okay, I'm going to just take off this grill here. So yeah, this is a 2.5-way speaker, I think they call it, because you got your driver here. And I probably shouldn't set down the banana plugs. Yeah, let's not do that. Your just like a 5.12 inch woofer, like a 0.98 inch silk dome tweeter, and I think this is like a 0.75 inch super tweeter. So yeah, interesting design. It is rear ported. I'm gonna hold that gently if it doesn't have the cover on. And I do not like how these banana plugs stick way out like that. That is a weird design choice. I don't know, maybe they did that so they could put some more insulation, or maybe the driver didn't fit. I'm gonna set this one aside. Check out the other one. These are not in bad quality. Look at this, or bad condition. The other one, the grill fell off. Let's see, this is the top. I'll check if anything else is in there in a minute. Okay. Sometimes when you get stuff used, and these were in excellent condition on Amazon, so they were not like supposed to be that bad, and they are looking pretty good. I really like the finish on these. It's really nice. Okay, let's take off the front, or the grill, sorry. You know what I mean. Yeah, look pretty good too. All right. See if there's anything else in the box before I say goodbye for the day. Oh yeah, instruction manual here. I think I do feel some rubber feet, which is always a bonus. Where'd they go? There they are. There you go. Huh. Just one. Maybe there's more in there. So I'm not sure what that is. It's got to be rubber feet, right? Interesting packaging on this because they did come used. So you can see the disintegrated styrofoam. I'm not seeing anything else. Huh. Maybe I'll look further into it and see if there's more in here, but that's all I'm seeing right now. All right? So I think that's going to do it for this unboxing of the Sony SSCS5. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my Patreon. I'll have a link in the description. Also, I'll link to buymeacoffee.com. That's just a one-time payment and just about the amount of a coffee. So if you don't want to subscribe to my channel yet, I'm just getting started here, consider just going to buymeacupofcoffee.com and just giving a one-time small donation. I would really appreciate it if you do, but there's no obligation. All right, have a great day, and remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.